Lumpy skin. So, what is lumpy skin? Lumpy skin is a viral disease that affects cattle. It is transmitted by blood feeding insects such as certain species of flies, mosquitoes, or ticks. It causes fever, nodes on the skin, and can also lead to death, especially in animal that has been previously been exposed to the virus. So, of late, we have been having cases of lumpy skin in our village, and these, as I already said, you as farmers, vaccination is key when it comes to dairy farming, because treating the disease is very, very expensive. Like for our case here, the extension officer, the vet, was asking for 200 shillings per head of a cow. So, it is better to pay the little money that is being asked for than paying the cost of treatment. And you can even treat the animal that has lumpy skin and still it won't survive. So it is up to you, up to a farmer to be far much ahead in terms of vaccination. Always vaccine. Let those people who come to vaccinate your animal have do it yearly. So we have different types of vaccination. We have lumpy skin, we have foot and mouth, we have so many, anthrax. So you have so many. So whenever you hear a case where you have an outbreak of a disease, make sure you have vaccinated before. Yeah. So many of the vaccines are done yearly, and I would advise farmer to take advantage of that. So like here in Kenya, the county government does well. Here in Nyeri County especially, we have those vets who go from home to home advising farmers, vaccinating cows. So take advantage of the opportunity as it arises. Yeah, like in this farm we had a case of lumpy skin. Yeah, but the one that is already sick is not going to be injected. Yeah, only those that are not sick are injected. They're injected to ml, and what I'm saying is the cost of treating lumpy skin is far much expensive compared to vaccination. So always take note, always be on the lookout. Yeah, and I would like to warn mostly farmers in Nyeri. We have so much widespread of this disease, and so many cows have died. Yeah, I'm a witness of 2 in a farm. It wiped 5 cows, and that is so much money. Yeah, that is so much money, so much cost of treatment, and the emotional damage that you are left with. So guys, take caution when it comes to vaccination. Do not neglect these small things. Yeah, I also learned when I was visiting farmers that farmers are different. Like you see this one now, the cow shed is not so good. Yeah, look at the disposal of manure. So always have good hygiene when it comes to cow rearing. Yeah, look at that shed. It is not well maintained. Yeah, I also noted that some farmers have good breeds, but they don't know. Yeah, and they do not take caution or do not take great care of their animals. Like the example, we have this one. These are good breed. Yeah, even you can look at it. These are good breed, but one thing that discourages you is horns. Yeah, you are supposed to horn when it is a calf, but not when it is big. When it is big, once you cut the horns, we have a hole that remains there. Yeah, so just like that, it is being vaccinated. So you have to from the cow rearing, or start from calf. You take care of calf, and it will be easier when it becomes mature. So take advantage of all these opportunity. Yeah, so we have another farm here. We were going around from one home to another because these are very, very big thing. Yeah, we also visited other established farmers. Yeah, who knows what they are doing. Yeah, and we have rant. I rant a lot that day. I rant very many things that day. Yeah, you see, you can also integrate cow farming with. You can keep sheep, goats. Yeah, you can also do what we call fish farming. Like in this case, we have this farmer who harvests water and makes a small correction center or a dam where he plants vegetables and also fodder when it is not raining. Look at that. Yeah, and currently it has fish. Yeah, it is possible to integrate your farm the way you want to design it. Yeah, the way you want to design it. Also, you can plant bananas. Yeah, so this is a good shed. This is a good farmer. Everything here is arranged well, as you can see. A simple shed. Yeah. He also has some goats. Look at the structure of the goat shed. Good. Look at the cows. Yeah, the floor is good. Everything is good in this farm. So be encouraged. Even if you're a starter, you can start from scratch. No, not necessarily you build using steel or using stones. You just start small, keep on moving like that. That's the chaff cutter area, as you can see. Yeah, so you start from scratch, you grow up, you build up. It is possible. Yeah, so take care of your cows. Vaccination is the most important thing. Losing your cow because of 200 shillings, that is like $1.8, is not good at all. Yeah, so make sure you vaccinate your cows and always follow what the county extension officers are telling you. Yeah, and with that, I know we can eradicate this thing and we can prevent losses from the farm. Yeah, I hope you are running something each and every day, and some are applicable, like that one of vaccination I told you. And now farmers are going through hard time trying to deal with this outbreak. So always take advantage and be on the lookout.